Hi guys, it's your girl again. I am back with another recipe. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's menu, we are going to make chicken wings with potatoes. So guys, let's get into the video. I've already washed the chicken wings and cut it into smaller pieces like this, and I'm going to season it with black pepper, white pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, and also chicken seasoning, guys, and a little bit salt to taste. So I'll also go in with a little bit oil, and here I'm adding in some ginger powder like I mentioned before, and this is fresh garlic, guys. Chicken with fresh garlic is everything. So I'll go in with 2 fresh garlics and then go ahead and mix everything together. But before then, I'll also introduce to you baking powder. This is a little bit baking powder, not baking soda. This is baking powder, guys. I will be adding make sure to mix everything, just a drip of it. Make sure to mix it well. Alright, so for the spices to penetrate, I would like to cover it and set it aside for about 1 hour. So I'm going to set it aside for 1 hour, or you can also put it in refrigerator for 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Or if you are not ready, you can just let it sit inside for 24 hours. It will be perfect. Okay, so while that is going on, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers. Thank you guys so much for waiting for me. I know I have been away for a while. Please guys, forgive me. Don't run away from me. Oh, come back. Your girl is back. Thank you so much. Right, like I said, I'm going to pair the chicken wings with the potatoes. So these are the potatoes. I'm going to wash it and chop the potatoes into smaller pieces, guys. So yes, so if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel and share my videos to your loved ones, and don't forget the bell notification button, so anytime I upload on YouTube, you'll be the first to watch my videos. Thank you for doing so. Alright, so this is the shape I'll go for, and I'm going to set this aside. After that, I'll go ahead and fry the chicken. So guys, please don't go anywhere. Alright, so now the oil is on fire, and I would like to infuse it with basil and also some chopped onions. Now that the oil is hot enough, I'll go in with the chicken. So I'm going to fry this chicken for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's crispy enough to take them out. Alright, so it's almost 10 minutes and I'm back to check it out, but it's still not done. It's not golden brown. So I'm going to cover it and let it be in for about 10 minutes more before taking them out. As you can see, it's all done, so I'm going to take them out. Guys, it looks so beautiful. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This is how I want it, but if you want it to be more crunchy or crispy, you can just let it be in for additional 5 or 10 minutes. All right, so now I'll go in with the potatoes, guys. So because of the seasoning on the chicken, I'm not going to season the potatoes. So I'll just go in and fry the potatoes straight up. It's going to taste just amazing. As you can see, the potatoes is also all done. It's almost done, guys. It looks good, as you can see. So at this point, I will just take the potatoes out. Then our food is ready, guys. This recipe is so easy to prepare for your children, for your friends. Please just add this recipe into your Christmas menu, okay? It's so delicious. So if you are watching the video till now and you're not subscribing, what are you waiting for, darling? Please subscribe to my channel and share the video to your loved ones. Please don't forget the bell notification button so that anytime I upload on YouTube, you are going to be the first to watch it. Thank you so much for doing so. So at this point, our potatoes and the chicken is perfectly done. So guys, I'm going to, serve my family with this amazing recipe. Kindly check the video description box for all the ingredients that I use, okay? I'm going to make sure to list the ingredients under the video description box, guys. Thank you for watching the video till now, and I will meet you with another video. So this is the dip, okay? It's called summarize, or you can make it yourself. Combine mayonnaise, black pepper, white pepper, then together with ketchup, then you are done. You are going to have the same sauce. It's amazing. Thank you and bye.